Do you believe it? With just an ordinary potato, you can create a miracle drug that helps hair grow quickly, thick, healthy, soft, and especially prevents hair loss extremely effectively? It sounds unbelievable, but it is true. And today, you are in the right place to know how to do it. Hello, welcome to Clever Tricks channel. Have you ever noticed that your hair is getting thinner? Hair loss when combing, weak hair, brittle hair, even bald spots make you lose confidence? I understand that feeling. Worried, confused, not knowing what to do. But instead of spending money on expensive cosmetics, you can completely try an extremely simple recipe from potatoes and a few familiar ingredients in the kitchen. And now, let's get started. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. First, I choose a medium-sized potato, not too big or too small. Now peel it. Just gently use a knife to peel off the skin around the potato. Done, and remember not to throw away this skin. I will show you a great way to use it right away. Next, we cut the potato into small pieces, so it is easier to blend. Where are you from? It's great to know we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Thanks for your support. Prepare a blender or a mixer, then put all the cut potatoes in. Turn on the machine and blend until smooth, and you have mashed potatoes. Now, take a bowl, line it with a thin cloth, pour in the mashed potatoes, then press hard to extract all the water. We only need the potato water, the pulp can be thrown away. Now it's time to combine the ingredients. Take an egg, separate the yolk. We only use the yolk. Put it in a bowl of potato water. Beat well. Then add a small spoon of honey. Stir until everything is smooth, so you have a natural tonic for your hair. This mask will help your hair become stronger, smoother, naturally bouncy, and especially reduce hair loss. Even those with thin, weak hair will see their hair grow thicker if they persevere. The way to use it is extremely simple. Twice a week, apply the mixture from the roots to the ends. Leave it for about 10 minutes, then wash it off. Try it and you will see a clear difference. Oh, and what about that potato peel from earlier? Don't waste it. Put all the peels in a pot. Add 500 milliliters of water. Boil for about 5 minutes. Then filter to get the clear water. Then let it cool. You can wait for 10 to 20 minutes. This is another great hair conditioner. When the water is cool enough, you just need to put this water in a small spray bottle. Every day, spray a little on your hair. You can use it when your hair is dry or wet. This will help your hair conditioner formula to be more effective, both economical and make the most of it. With just a familiar potato, you have in your hands the secret to nourishing your hair, completely natural, safe, and very economical. You see, with just a simple potato and a few familiar ingredients in the kitchen, we have a secret to hair care that is both simple and effective. The good thing here is that this formula is completely natural, very benign, does not harm your health, and does not cost much. If you find this method useful, don't hesitate to like and share it with your friends or relatives. Who knows, they might also be looking for a simple and effective solution for their hair. And remember, be persistent in applying it. After just a while, you will definitely be surprised by the obvious change in your hair. Wish you always keep your hair healthy, shiny, and full of life. Thank you for accompanying until the end of the video. Goodbye, and see you again in the next shares.